What's up, guys? Today gonna change an original Cub Cadet seat to a Tractor Supply Black Talent Aftermarket seat. First off, if you don't have a lathe, you're not going to be able to do this. These original bolts here are 3/8 16 threads per inch. The one from Tractor Supply here is 5/16 diameter with 18 threads per inch. With that said, 5/16 works out to 312 thousandths of an inch, and we're mic'd out here at 296. You still get away with it. If you're still with me, you're gonna need also a die, and you're gonna have to re-chase the threads. You're also gonna have to cut. You can see I cut about 1/4 of an inch. I faced off 1/4 of an inch back because it's too long. With that said, you're still gonna, put the spacer on right here, and it's gonna butt up against the seat. The measurement from the shoulder to here is 1/2 inch, a little over 1/2 inch, 32nd over 1/2 inch, but call it 1/2 inch, you'll be good. Why you have to face that off is these holes here only go down roughly about 1/4 of an inch. If you can see that, and then it's going to start poking through this foam, and it's going to wear through the seat if you don't do that. The other thing I want to know is this seat is wider. It measures 20 inches. Even their small one is 19.5. So we're going to have to make a bend inward on both sides to clear the plastic and then the gas cap. But it, beats paying almost 200 bucks or $200 or more for a frickin' seat, which you can't get a part to recover the fucking thing. Okay, so we got them all machined down, same height, I'll thread it. Okay, if you look, this lip right here kind of is bent out. All I did is take a rubber mallet. First I hit it off the floor, then I took a rubber mallet and I banged it in, and you can see the kind of angle that I got going on, so hopefully that's gonna clear it. And just do the same on the other side. Okay, just a little heads up. Right here, this shoulder bolt, when I put it on, it didn't want to tighten up, so you're gonna have to face the shoulder about 1/16 off, and then we're gonna shorten the thread up about 1/16, and then you're gonna have to chase some more threads on here. The plastic spacers that this fits up against the seat, so on one side you have a washer, this side you have the spacer on the seat, and I'll show you later. There's too much shoulder bolt. You can't tighten the bolt up tight enough. Okay, so from the flanged part of the bolt to the edge of the shoulder, you got 7/8 of an inch. And then you still, from this shoulder to the outside here, you got 1/2 inch. Okay, so there you go. It's assembled, and I'll show you from the side. This is why you gotta take the shoulder bolts and trim them down. Right here, where these plastic things mount up here, they're too long for the bolt to go through the washer, the plastic, and meet up to the seat. And the same thing on the other side. And this side was a little bit, worse, but they're all equal. Okay, so there she is on the tractor. Give you an idea of the width. Seat up. Alright, now I'm sitting on the tractor, and this is how much clearance you have over here. Now I'm going to pull down on the back of the tractor to show you the seat clears that. And I'm pulling pretty hard, so